Question 8. Question 8 says, a sequence of figures is made up of equilateral triangles called unit triangles with unit sides. The first three figures in the sequence are shown below. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Draw figure 4. So I'm just going to start out one big triangle. All right, and draw figure 4. Notice that right here, so is 1. Then you have 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the bottom. So at the bottom, we're going to have 7 here. It's going to be 1, 2. This 2 triangle. This is 1, 2, 3 triangle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many we need again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it should be 6, 7. If we were to attach it like this, it's going to just be figure 4 would just be 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this would be 7. So let me reconstruct this line. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, because it's just going to put another. Notice that next it have none here, 1 here, 3 here. Next it's going to go to 5. Because how we're going to split it is 1 here, 1 triangle going down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. Did we get it right? Because it would be like this. Make sure we get this good. It should be 5 triangles, but here I have 1. Okay, so I see what I did wrong now. Let's fix this up. Let's make this pretty now. Let's fix this. It should be 5 triangles going across. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 at the bottom, then 5 in the next row. So let's get the 5 now. Get in the 5 triangles. Okay. This should do it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh gosh, man, I can't get this figure right. Just trying to get the 5 triangles. Let's try something different. One, two, three, four, five. Yes, here it is now. This has the 5 triangles. All right. So notice that it goes from the next. It's going to have 3. 1, 2, 3 triangles, then 1. So that's figure 4. I know it took a long while. Just having trouble in paradise getting the diagram fully accurate. So this would represent figure 4. Right, it says complete the table. Number of unit triangles. As you can see in figure 3, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now for figure 4, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. As you can see, it's going to be 16 triangles. So for figure 4, it's going to be 16 triangles. Now the number of unit sides is going to be, let's follow the pattern, the formula that they give us. The pattern that they give us is 3 times the figure number. In this case, the figure number is 4. So it's 3 times 4, 3 times 4, and that is, of course, being multiplied by the figure number, which is 4 plus 1. And the result, when both are multiplied by each other, is divided by 2. So it's divided by 2. That works out to be equal to 3 times 4 is 12 times 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 12 times 5 is 60, and 60 divided by 2 is 30. Now, now I don't know if you noticed the formula. It says number of unit squares, 1, 4, 9, 16. These are all square numbers, and it's the square of the figure. So this is just, when figure is 12, 12 square is going to give us 144. So 25 square will give us 625. So number of unit triangles for figure 25 is 625. Now let's decide for 144. Now for one, when figure is 12 and the number of unit triangles is 144, it's going to be 12 times 4, 12 times 4 multiplied by, where I get 12 from? This should be 3 times 12. My apologies, my apologies. It's 3 times 12, and all of that is multiplied by n. N in this case is 12 plus 1, and then we divide it by, of course, 2. 3 times 12 is 36. 36 times 12 plus 1, which is 36 times 13, divided by 2 is 234. Nice. Now, again here, so we're gonna have to do this again. Now, this is when n is 25, so it's just gonna be 25 times 3. I'm not gonna write out all of that. 25 times 3 25 times 3 is 75, multiplied by 25 plus 1, which is 26, divided by 2. So that's going to work out to be 75 times 26 divided by 2, that's 975. Easy. Of course, for n, right here is just n squared. And the formula, as we can clearly see, is it's 3 times n. So it is 3n multiplied by n plus 1 over 2. Easy question, soft, nice and easy.